Today, we will show you how to replace the band on your Forerunner 45, 45S, or Garmin Swim 2. To replace the band, you will need your watch and a band replacement kit. This kit will include the new band, screws, and screwdriver. For this video, we will be using a Forerunner 45S. Start by removing the screws from your watch. Next, remove the bands by unsnapping them from the watch casing. If you see any extra plastic pieces from the band still attached to the watch, remove these now. Your watch will look like this when you are ready to install the new band. You'll notice these notches on either side of the watch. Start with the buckle side and attach it to the top of the watch by snapping it into place. Then, snap the other side to the bottom of the watch. Finally, you can install all 4 screws. Tighten them securely, but don't over-tighten as this can cause damage to the watch casing. And that's it! You can now change the band on your Forerunner 45, 45S, or Garmin Swim 2. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.